Hey my lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pozicator aka Miss Kator. So on today's video, I have some exciting news. So today I'm gonna be unboxing with you my first package from my first campaign with a Rubybox. So today I'm gonna be unpackaging my first package from them. So I'm excited. Let's see what is. So this is the box. I cannot wait to open this with you. I cannot wait to see what's inside. I have an idea of what's inside, but I'm so excited for you guys to see what is inside. So yeah, let's get into it. So because you guys know how bad I am with this unboxing stuff, it's written here fragile. So hey guys, give me an idea of how to open these boxes, because I'm gonna be receiving a lot of this in future. Manifesting, guys, you should manifest. So not manifesting, you know what, I will be receiving a lot of these boxes from other campaigns, because your girl is about to go in places. So when life gives you strawberry, so then now when life gives me these boxes, I'm gonna take Caesar. Let's see what is inside. So guys, this product is from where? It's from Dove. So I received this Dove Go Fresh moisturizing cream. So I'm gonna be using this, and I will have to share with 9 of my friends that I nominated. They gave me their emails, so I'm gonna be giving them 1 each. So each of them will go with this. So yes, so I'm gonna be giving them what? So yeah guys, that's about it. That's my first and foremost campaign with Rubybox. So I'm gonna be posting those pictures on Instagram, so please guys engage. Never mind my bedding, by the way, please ignore that. so just engage on my post on Instagram. Please comment, like, this kind of stuff. Do that. Yeah. And if you haven't yet followed me on my Instagram. From me to you, my lovings. I'll see you on the next video.